Do you have small audience? Do you think it's to your disadvantage? Let's turn it around and make it your advantage. In this video, you will learn how to have a successful business even if you have a small audience. Many people come to me, many great experts, that they have a small audience and they think that it's really to their disadvantage. They want to have big audience and they think that they have first to grow their audience and only after they can sell, or that only after they will have successful business. And it's not true. And really maybe half of my clients really come when they have a small audience. And it might be because they just started or pivoted in their businesses, but they have a big expertise. But maybe you are in the situation that you have also small expertise. And it doesn't matter. In any case, doesn't matter if you are in the beginning of your journey or if you are more advanced. If you have a small audience, you can still have a successful business. And in this video, I would like to talk what to sell and how to sell it to make it your advantage. So let's start with what to sell. If you have a small audience, mathematically, it will really make sense to sell high tickets, to sell something which will be at least €1,000 or more. And I mean really €1,000 when you are starting, when you have small expertise. But it can be also something for 5, 10, 20,000. Because if you have a small audience, you will not sell to many people. And also later, when I will explain you how to sell, you will see that to sell this way, you need to sell high tickets. And now there is maybe something inside of you which makes you uncomfortable. But let me assure you that selling high tickets is an inner game, because there is a client for any price. So if it's only about you, there is a good news. You can change it innerly. This is what I really help my clients to change, to to process their fear of charging higher prices, because they think they are not good enough or they are not experienced enough, whatever you might be thinking also yourself. So the good news, you can change it. You will probably need somebody to help you with, but it's easier like going to the journey when you will sell low tickets and when you will work a lot and you will have a very little reward, because this is discouraging. And that's why also so many great experts, they quit. And your role as a business owner, you have to first think about your own growth. So you have to fill your cup first, and you have to be financially secured. And only after you can do other things like selling low tickets. Because for selling low tickets, you really need more people. It is a number game. But higher prices, higher tickets, this is more relationships. And this is something which you can build because you have small audience. You can build a really relationship with them. So selling high tickets is the key element to your financial, and that's why also business success. If you want to know more about high tickets, you can also watch my other videos when I go deeper into high tickets, how to make it work. Now let's talk about how. This is the second part. And I really believe that first is an inner game, because I can give you any strategy and the how is a strategy. If you don't have your own conviction that you can do it, that you want to do it, that you want to sell high tickets, there will be no strategy in the world which will help you. So strategies are very important, And I will also tell you how, but really, let me repeat. First, you need to be convinced, you need to believe consciously and unconsciously that you can do it, that you will do it. Once you are convinced, you believe in it, you want it, you desire it, then we can come to the second part, is how to do that. Well, when somebody is selling low tickets, when they are selling in one-to-many settings, when they are selling only like by posting on social media or by hosting webinars or other events, they are talking to many people, but they don't have time to build relationship because it's impossible to build relationship with so many people, right? But if you are selling high tickets and you can build relationships, not with everybody, but if you will define very well who is your dream client, who is the person who can afford these high prices, and it's probably not what you think, then if you define them, you find them, you just need a very few potential clients because you can build a relationship with them, and some of them will become your clients quite fast. So the biggest misconception when we are talking about who can afford to pay a lot of money, many experts think that this is somebody else, that they are some different people, maybe that they are more advanced or they have some adjectives they put. But the truth is, it doesn't matter so much about who they are. They are maybe the same people as you have already in your audience, I'm sure of it, and as you and I. The thing what makes them pay the higher prices is that the problem you help them to solve is very urgent. So there is urgency or the very high desire, higher than anybody else. And because I said there is a market for any price, it is really true. But having a high-paying clients is very rewarding. So there is also different way how you will sell them. And it needs to be by building the relationship. And you should have conversations with them. And maybe not the first one, but some of it at the end, it will be also sales conversation. So either you will have multiple conversations or you might have an exchange of messages or emails when you will get to know each other better. And after that, you jump on the call and you have a sales conversation. So most of the time, the conversations in a higher price, they are required. Sometimes they are not necessary the point when the decision is made. Sometimes this conversation can be light and it's just sort of acknowledging, yes, now we know each other, and because there is a fit, we can work together. But the decision can come before. So you have to become good at sales. In this part, when you are selling high tickets, the two most important things are mindset and your sales skills. Because these two will help you to make it happen faster, to make it happen easier. So, to summarize, if you have a small audience, it can be to your advantage because with a small audience, with the right people, you can turn them into high-paying clients through the relationships, business relationships. And in one-on-one setting, it is easier to gain the trust in you, in your solution. And also for them, they believe that they want to and can to do it with you. It's easier like in one-to-many. So you will not have the percentage like 3% of the audience will buy. you might have 30 or 50% of people you will talk to that they will buy. How many and how fast it will happen will depend on your mindset and on your sales skills. I wish you a lot of success and to make it a thriving business already from the start when you have a small audience, to turn this audience into some of it to high paying clients so that you can grow your business and you can grow it faster and easier so that you can also after help many more people. You can watch other video. The description, which one I recommend, is in the comment. And if you like this video, you can like it and you can also subscribe to our channel. See you in other video. Bye for now.